नमस्कार दोस्तों, कैसे आप लोग? मेरा नाम है प्रेम राजकुमार और आप देख रहे हैं यूट्यूब चैनल हेल्पिंग हैंड प्रेम। इस वीडियो में आप लोग को बताने वाला हूँ कोई हरियाणा कौशल रोजगार निगम की तरफ से जो निकले हुए हैं कुछ पोस्ट उसके बारे में। तो चलिए हम इस वीडियो को शुरू कर लेते हैं। जो वैकेंट जॉब है अंडर एंटरप्राइजेज निजी कंपनी की तरफ से, जो पहला है हमारा स्टाफ नर्स का मेदांता द एंटरप्राइज रहेगा, द प्लेसमेंट एजेंसी वेदांता द मेड सिटी। जॉब लोकेशन रहेगा गुड़गांव और मैन पावर नंबर 100 रिक्वायर्ड है और मंथली सैलरी रहेगी 23,000 और स्टार्टिंग डेट है इसका 30/11/2025 से 7/12/2025 तक। और इसका जॉब डिटेल्स वगैरह है जो कुछ इस प्रकार की रहेंगी, जो आप यहाँ पे मैं आपको बता देता हूँ। JDOF नर्स स्टाफ नर्स का 2.1 मैनेजमेंट ऑफ नर्सिंग केयर, awareness of the departmental vision, mission, objective and in its implementation. और सेकंड पे रहेगा performs the duties as per the role and expectation of a nurse in providing comprehensive patient care. थर्ड रहेगा knowledge about the layout of the unit, number of patients and types of patients and their requirements. फोर्थ रहेगा interactions, cooperation and team spirit with other staff members. फिफ्थ रहेगा perform assigned duties as per the departmental protocol. Six रहेगा maintains all registers used in the unit. Seventh, accurate knowledge about the forms and formats. Eighth रहेगा performs all special assignments as rostered. Ninth रहेगा ensure the client is provided with appropriate information to make informed decision relating to treatment and care reflects client's preferences. और 10th रहेगा able to discuss ethical issues related to area of practice with clients, families and the healthcare team. 11th रहेगा ensure documentation is current, accurate, timely and maintains confidentiality within a legal and ethical framework. 12th रहेगा demonstrates computer skills necessary to organize data for essential care delivery. 13th रहेगा evaluates clients progress towards expected outcomes including treatments and health education in collaboration with the client and the healthcare team. 14th रहेगा evaluates the effectiveness of nursing care, seeking assistance and learn knowledge as necessary. 15th रहेगा educates client to maintain and promotes health according to client needs. 16 रहेगा takes appropriate nursing actions in emergency situations and other situations that compromise client safety. 17th takes responsibility for maintaining own professional development including mandatory organizational requirements, updating knowledge to reflect best practices and sharing knowledge with others. 18th रहेगा contributes to the support, direction and teaching of colleagues to enhance professional development. 19 maintains a professional portfolio. 20th रहेगा duties are rostered and rotating where to a 24 hours 7 days service is provided. 2.2 skills, soft skill and critical thinking, demonstrates knowledge of AIDT, acknowledge, introduce, duration, explanation, thank and GST, greet, smile and thanks. Second रहेगा utilizes effective communication skills in reporting, pertinent information on time. Third रहेगा maintains telephone in etiquettes. Fourth रहेगा maintains professional decorum and communicates in the English, Hindi in the areas of working with colleagues. Fifth रहेगा inform team leaders, supervisor of current activities on the unit and report unusual occurrence, incident or other problems and also follow up as needed. Sixth रहेगा utilize changes of the shift, report to occur accurately and effectively to communicate patient condition and interventions. Seventh रहेगा ensure all document All documentation in clear, concise, and timely. Utilize appropriate clinical terminologies. वह थर्ड रहेगा। अब हम 2.3 की बात करें, प्रोफेशनल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी क्या रहेगी। फर्स्ट में प्रैक्टिस सेफली बेस्ड ऑन प्रोफेशनल एथिकल एंड लीगल स्टैंडर्ड इन accord with relevant legislation codes and policies and upholds client right derived from that legislation. Second रहेगा demonstrate commitment to the patient of Medanta and their health improvement. Third रहेगा practice nursing in a manner that the client determines as culturally safe. Fourth रहेगा promotes an environment that enables client safety, independence, quality of life and health. Fifth रहेगा demonstrate accountability for directing, monitoring and evaluating nursing care that is delegated to a registered nurse. Sixth रहेगा participate in regular performance reviews and contribute to peer review. Seventh रहेगा maintains infection control principles. Eighth रहेगा evaluates environmental safety, completes hazard identification and risk assessments. Ninth रहेगा proactive and responsible in maintaining health and safety for client, staff and public. Fourth रहेगा nursing admission assessment. Performs comprehensive nursing assessment on all patients with consideration to clinical condition, pain, activities of a daily living, skin, allergies, integrity, valuables, safety needs are as mental, social and physical status. Fourth, second रहेगा follow all aspect that hospital policy in terms of safety, personal belongings, medico legal entity, medications, etc. Third day assesses vital signs, important information and reports abnormality to the consultant and team and carried out orders as per instructions. Fourth रहेगा accurately and thoroughly document nursing assessment and patient problem using appropriate clinical terminology. Fifth रहेगा completes and documents ongoing assessment. Sixth रहेगा assesses and communicates educational, spiritual, pain management and dietary needs to the concerned. Seventh रहेगा involves, communicates and educate the family members in the future plan of care. Eighth रहेगा initiates, maintains and conclude therapeutic interpersonal interactions with clients. Ninth रहेगा communicates effectively, positively and courteously with clients and the healthcare team. फिफ्थ यहाँ पे बात करते हैं 2.5 की नर्सिंग एलिजिबिलिटी। फर्स्ट रहेगा मिनिमम जीएनएम एंड बेसिक नर्सिंग रिक्वायर्ड रजिस्ट्रेशन इज मैंडेटरी। सेकंड रहेगा प्रोफिशिएंसी इन इंग्लिश एंड हिंदी इज मैंडेटरी। थर्ड रहेगा 3 ईयर 0 से 3 ईयर ऑफ वर्किंग एक्सपीरियंस फ्रेशर्स आर वेलकम टू अप्लाई। वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, कमेंट कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए। मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए।